Hello, my name is Ernest, and today I will be showing you how to draw a letter M in 3D. Actually, this tutorial will be a lot more just to drawing skills, but you could use the drawing skills to draw just as anything. Um, the principles are just the same. So, yeah. This is the finished product that I will be showing you in this video. I will be fast forwarding and showing you other things like pictures that I have drawn in the past. So yeah, bear with me. Today I will be using these tools. These are used for cleaning your ears. Um, but right now I'm using them to blend the graphite. So when I draw and then I want to distribute those graphites um, in all areas, I use these cleaning, I think they're called cleaning something pads. Yeah, correct me in the comments below if you know what they are called. Um, yeah, so I will be also be using pencils. Um, the name of the pencil that I will be using today is Fiber Castell, um, HB, and HB2 pencil, and I believe it's H6 or something. So apart from the pencils, I will be also be using a kneaded eraser. Um, if you happen to read my blog, I blogged about kneaded eraser and the advantage of using them. They can actually be formed in different shapes. Also, when they get dirty, you have the ability to knead them into the shape that you want. And also, it can hide the dirt, the graphite on it. Okay, so apart from that, I also going to be using a sharpener just to make sure that my pencils are sharp because that's very, very important in having those lines smooth and crisp. Um, apart from that, I will also be using this tool. Basically, it's just for making your pencils much sharper if you need them. So I like putting my stuff pretty much close to me. I don't want to be standing up and down going looking for something that I know I will need eventually down the road while drawing. So on my blog I discussed about keeping the environment clean, and also where you put your paper matters. You have to make sure that you don't damage your paper, and also you have the right tools. Have seen this happen several times even in software development world. Every developer, every software developer has their tools of preference. So this applies to artists too. You have to find what resonates with you, what really connects and bring your skills out. So yeah, if you happen to wonder why the video is not syncing properly with my voice, is because I made a voiceover on this video, and um, the voice that I shot with the camera actually did not come good. So I ended up deleting the voice and yeah, just made my own, you know. Uh, this also brings the point of being creative. When drawing as an artist, you have to make mistakes. Don't be afraid to make mistakes because um, mistakes are good. If you read a lot, you will, or even watch YouTube videos, one of my favorite saying was from John Bezos, the founder of Amazon. In his one of his videos, he actually mentioned that he made a lot of mistakes just to arrive at making a good product like Amazon that everyone uses, almost everyone uses. So don't be afraid to make mistakes. Just go ahead and be creative and create your outline. This is what I'm doing here. I am actually creating an outline. So one of my videos, one of my photos that I drew way back. And yeah, the outline is very, very important in making sure that your drawing comes out because that is the foundation that is needed to um, bring the drawing out. You have to use um, a lighter pencil. In this case, H pencil would be good. HB pencil, a little bit darker. And this is just for getting the outline. So after you decide on what to draw, make an outline like what I discussed in the blog. And if you haven't read the blog already, just head to www.shangarts.com. Again, that is www.shangarts.com. You will find the blog, among other things that you will find interesting. All right, so I don't want this video to be so long, so I will be fast forwarding and playing a little bit of music for you guys. And if you happen to want more, to watch more of these tutorials, just go ahead and leave a comment or send me an email or just comment. I will be sure bringing you other tutorials for some of you guys who want to know how to program. I am also a software developer. I develop ASP.NET applications, and I am currently a database developer. So there are all those good things that I might bring to the table. Just leave a comment and with your idea of the video that you want me to do. I'll be more than glad to take the challenge and actually bring you good content. That's good.
Thank you so much for watching this video. If you're watching on YouTube, then make sure you subscribe and hit that bell icon. Okay? Bye.
Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will make sure that I bring more content for you guys. And if you have any ideas in mind that you want me to do the video, just go ahead and leave me a comment or just send me an email. Thank you.